Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's over by FX. So I'm here to show you guys another indicator settings that you can use to scalp effectively. So before we go further, I'm going to be going into some selling positions using 5 lot size. Okay, because we are scalping, so we're going to get like 5 to 10 candlesticks before we leave the market. So let's go. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I've opened 10 positions, all running at a loss at the moment. Okay, so now you might be asking the indicators I'm using. If you've watched my former video, my previous video, you're going to find out that this indicator was used on another pair. I think they crashed 300, and I showed you guys how to use it to catch spikes. And if you watch that video, you're going to like it. So this is another video entirely, but I'm showing you how to use this on the boom 300. So the indicators I'm using here are the RSI and the alligator, which is a relative strength index, and the period for that is 1. You apply to close. The levels are 80, 70, 20, 50, and 30. Time frame, all time frames, I use white, and you can use any pixel you want. When you're done, you go add the alligator. The jaws period 60, teeth period 8, lips period is 10, jaws shift is 0, teeth shift is 10, the lip shift is 1, method is linear weighted, apply to median price, time frame, all time frames. The jaws I used purple, the teeth I used white, and the lips I used green. So once you're done, you click on done, you go back to the chart and wait to scalp or to catch spikes. So if you go on the higher time frame, this is a 1 hour time frame, you can see very well that this is a downtrend. So it's a downtrend, and what do you need? What you have to look out for right now is selling positions. Okay, you look out for selling positions. So let's go to the VIPs. We're going to be giving them this trade. Okay, but we got into a trade earlier today and we hit our TP, so this is it. But right now I'm going to be giving them this to sell the boom 300. So I'll be giving them the SL later. All right, so let's go back to the chart. So now we are running. I think we should be in profit now. Okay, now we are in profit, and it's a quick one. So I said we are going to be catching at least 5 to 10 candlesticks. So as I said, this is a downtrend already. As you can see, it's a downtrend already, and it's a good time for you to do what, to go in for scalping. You're going to sell the market because you don't want to trend against the trend. Of course, we know it's time for spikes. The spike might come and might take us out, but this is the best time to scalp. So when you're scalping, you have to be very careful. Look out for the trend of the market to know where it's going to and all of that. So now you'll be asking how to use this indicator. It's quite simple. As you can see on the RSI gave us different levels. We have the 80, 70, 50, 30, 20 down on this side. So this area here, you've seen that we've had all that already. So what do you look out for? You look out for the jaws and teeth. Once the lips and the jaws, once they intersect at the top, that's at the level 90. So seeing that this is a downtrend, you expect to be selling. So here it is going. Once market got to this level and there was a crossover at the level 70, between the level 70 to 100, you go in for a sell. And if you backtest this, same thing happened here. So we keep backtesting this. And also, as I said earlier, note this is a downtrend, so you have to be very sure that you are going in for a sell. If it was an uptrend, that's when we look out to catch spikes. But right now, it's not a good time to catch spikes, because if you're going to catch spikes, the spike might come, but it might still not give you profits. You might still be in a loss. So as we're backtesting this is it. Multiple places. If you're trying this on your own account, you can backtest this at your free time. And that's all I just have to tell you. Once you get on the charts, the first thing you have to look for is it an uptrend, is it a downtrend? Okay, is it an uptrend or is it a downtrend? But what we can see here is that it's a downtrend. And what exactly are we going to be looking for? Selling entries. As I said earlier, we look for selling entries. So this spot here is going to be our SL. if you want to say an SL, I'll be putting my SL around this level, 398. So we are going to be having a ratio of like 1:2 when the profit comes in, because I think of making my TP to be somewhere around this level. Okay, because this is the last place market came to before rejecting. So this illustration is going to help you if you want to scalp and make profits from the market. So now we've already gotten 5 candlesticks, so we are looking for 5 more. Okay, we are looking for 5 more, but it's okay for you to take your profit and leave. You don't have to actually wait till, okay, you have accumulated too much. So right now you've seen that we have gotten into profit and we are still waiting to catch more. So once you found this, you can also use this on other pairs. Let's go, for instance, let's check out the crash. Let's look at the crash 300. So now crash 300 is showing us that, please just, it has gotten to the upmost level here, the overbought region. But now let's go on the higher time frame and see what's going on. Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? So let's start from the 4 hours. Okay, this happens to be an uptrend because market has respected this point and is going up, and it has passed this other high that was here, which was our previous support resistance, and which has turned to a support now. So now what would you say? I'll say that this is an uptrend and it's time for you to buy. But being that market has gotten to this level, we have to just wait a bit for market to give us a retracement. That's why sometimes if you are trading, you have to use price action also. Price action also helps, because with the price action you can see that this place here was our resistance, but it's been broken, and now it has turned. Once it breaks, what you'll be looking out for is for it to break, retest this region, and keep buying up. So the crash 300 has been buying after it's crashed. Okay, so this is an opportunity for you to go in for a buy. This is not a time to catch spikes, but if you look very well, you can also, it won't be advisable for you to get into a trade right now, because this is a resistance. This candlestick is not yet closed. It's just a new candlestick that just opened 7 minutes ago, and the 4 hours candlestick also opened just now. But this is a bullish candle, 2 strong bullish candles, which means this one might just push up to cover the space that was left here. So if I'm going in, I'm going to be going in after I've seen a rejection to retest this resistance. Sometimes it might not come almost immediately, sometimes it might just move without coming. So I'll just wait for it to retest this level, then this is going to be my target, this area here. Okay, so using price action to trade is actually very important. So let's go back to our boom 300, and okay, the spike came and we went back on a loss. So that's why I always talk about taking your profits. Once it goes in, you take your profit. So we're supposed to take 5 to 10 candlesticks, but it cut us short. So you have to learn how to accumulate profits, because that's why I tell the VIPs, accumulate profits. Whenever the profit comes, you accumulate it. So if this video has been helpful to you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also check out the description of this video. You're going to find the link to my WhatsApp and also the link to our Telegram channel. You can join for free. But we have the VIP, you also have the mentorship class, and we also have the account management, in case you want your account to be managed for you, in case you don't have the time to trade, you don't know how to trade any of them. So mentorship class is going to be running. We are going to be starting soon, so make sure you register and you join us, and let's make money together. So I'm going to be following up this trade, because I always follow up all my trades, and we're going to see if we're going to make profit from it at the end of the day. So there's going to be another part attached to this video, so just watch out for it, and see you guys soon. Alright guys, so I'm just waking up, and I told you guys I was going to follow up this trade to the end, and I told you guys also that this was a downtrend. And if it's a downtrend, what do you look out for? You look out for sell entries instead of buying entries, because you don't want to trade against the trend. So as I yesterday, we got into this trade where we gave it to the VIP over here, okay, to sell the boom 300. That's after we have already smashed our TP on the VIX 100. Here was the VIX 100. Okay, this was step index, not step index, VIX 100. We gave the step index yesterday, we gave the VIX 100 yesterday, and the boom 300. So all of them gave us profits but the boom 300 actually stressed us a bit because it was going back and forth. So let's go back to the chart. You're able to see that we're able to break this support here. So this could be a break to retest and keep selling. If we go on the 30 minutes, I think that's going to be clearer. Okay, this was a support here. So if this support has been broken, maybe this is a pullback for a retest, and the next one might be a rejection of selling till mama comes calling. So that's by the way. So you've seen that this indicator works very well, and here are the settings. Of course, I shared with you earlier, RSI. You can just screenshot this, and also the alligator. So make sure you use these settings. And for those of you that want to join the free Telegram channel, check on the description of this video. You're going to find the link to the free Telegram channel. And also those of you that wants to join the mentorship class, account management VIP, check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to my WhatsApp, so you can just hit me up directly and we're going to communicate from there. And it's time to make money. So make sure you don't sleep on this. Make sure you don't sleep on this. The VIPs are winning every day. Every day we are cashing out. So make sure you join the VIP and make sure you follow the rules. If you can check out here, you see that I have the rules which I give to my people, which is always use the right risk management and always look out for profit. Because if you don't look out for profit, you are going to be lost. Just imagine earlier on this video, we were supposed to get at least 5 candlesticks before the first spike came, but we got the 5 candlesticks and we wanted to approach more, before this happened, before the spikes came. So it's always very important that you look out for your profit and take them, especially if you're using a small account. So guys, make sure you join us on the free Telegram channel, and I hope you love this video. Subscribe to the channel, join us, and let's make money together. Welcome to the blue team in advance. See you guys on the next video.